everyone, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax here in beautiful Panama City Beach. I wanted to take a few minutes and just share with you a brand new trade that we just got in. This is a 2011 210 Coastal from NauticStar. What a great boat. As you saw briefly, it has a unique hull design so you can take it offshore on a good day, as well as really get in the shallows there in the bay for your redfish and your speckled trout. As you can also see, it does come equipped with a trolling motor, which is a huge plus. We all love a good trolling motor on a boat, that's for sure. And it's in great shape. Like I said, it's a 2011, and with an awesome, unique hull design. Gets up on plane, handles the chop really, really well. And it's also equipped with the Yamaha flagship 150 four-stroke motor. So come on aboard real quick and let me point out a few other things for you. Hey everyone, Kenny Brown here again at MarineMax here in Panama City Beach. We are aboard the 210 Coastal, the 2011 NauticStar. I wanted to show you a few things, highlight a few awesome features on this boat. If you look here on aft, you'll see we have an awesome casting platform when you're out fishing and whatnot. As you step down and you're making that trip home, or if you're just going for a cruise, you'll see you have 3 bucket jump seats here. Real easy access. You lift up here. Very comfortable. As well as underneath each one of these bucket seats, you have your battery trays there for your motor and your electronics. Underneath this middle one, you have a live well. And then here underneath, this is just additional storage. Now what's also really cool is the helm seat here. So you have a leaning post right here, but it's adjustable. So if you're anchored, you're at the island, or you're trolling, you simply lift up, push back, you sit down here, put your feet up, watching your rods, wait for them to go off so you can go to work, bring home some groceries. Then when you get some fish in the boat, you can lift up this helm seat here, and that's a cooler. So you can utilize that for fish or your sodas, sandwiches and whatnot. So as we move here to the helm, you'll see it's equipped with your nice gauges here. You've also got a nice Garmin here, GPS chart plotter and fish finder. You've got some cup holders, got your compass. You've got your switches here. You've also in the helm have additional storage where you can throw away some of your valuables, but also notice in there, there's battery trays with batteries there for your trolling motor. So I like the way that's designed in the center of the boat. Also, this has a full bimini top. Now, when this boat was new, that was an option. So this boat didn't come with the bimini top, however, it was added. And we all know down here in sunny Florida, you need some shade when you're out there on the water. As we move forward here, you see you've got a front seat here to enjoy, but it also does as another live well from up front. So that means you have a live well forward and a live well aft. I'd like for you to take notice of how beautiful condition all the upholstery is in this boat. All the upholstery has just been redone and it's all new in the boat. So that's a big plus. So this is a great boat. They kind of call this a hybrid boat because it'll just do a little bit of everything. So come on down here to MarineMax in Panama City Beach. My name's Kenny Brown. Feel free to give me a call at 850-596-8108, and I look forward to seeing you. And remember, it's always about making memories on the water.